Hey everyone, I'm here with a quick eBay tip. I just wanted to show you how I'm using eBay's new coupon feature. It's quick, it's easy, it happens right in the shipping flow. So as you can see here, I'm on my shipping page. You can choose to highlight all of your list, all of your items that are going out for shipping and print the coupons at once, or you could do them one by one. Sometimes I'll do them one by one based on what I'm selling, but as you'll see, they do a basic 25% off coupon that's good till the end of the year. You could just use that and be done with it. But if you click here, you'll see there's an option to create a coupon. That will take you to eBay's marketing page where you can create a coupon set up to your parameters. For instance, I have created a 20% coupon off that's good on all clothing. So you can do that any way you want. You could choose percent off, dollars off, length of time, category specific, all kinds of things there. Once you're done with that, and anything you create will show up in future. Now, here are some options for creating if you want to do 2, 4 per sheet if you're shipping multiple orders, and you can also personalize the message for your buyer. Once you're done here, you just print, tuck it into your package, and there's an easy marketing tool and also a tool to kind of bring back some buyers. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, good sales come to those who list.